Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the exciting world of vacation outfits. Whether you are headed to a tropical paradise, a cityscape, or a cozy cabin in the mountains, having the perfect vacation wardrobe is key to feeling confident and comfortable. We have curated a range of stylish and versatile outfits that will have you looking for best no matter your destination. Let's get started. For a beachside vacation, your wardrobe should be all about light, breathable fabrics and vibrant colors. Think flowy maxi dresses in tropical prints or bright sundresses that capture the essence of the destination. Breezy kaftans and cover-ups are perfect for lounging by the pool or walking along the shore. Pair these with flat sandals or espadrilles for a comfortable yet chic look. Don't forget your wide brimmed hat and oversized sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun while adding a touch of glam to your outfit. If you are exploring a new city, you will want to balance style and practicality. Opt for comfortable yet stylish footwear like chic sneakers or block heeled sandals. A versatile jumpsuit or midi dress is great for transitioning from day to night. During the day, layer with the light jacket or blazer for a polished look. Crossbody bags are perfect for keeping your hands free while sightseeing. For evening outings, elevate your outfit with statement jewelry and a clutch bag. Neutral tones and classic pieces work well in a city setting, allowing you to mix and match easily. Heating to a cooler climate, cozy layered outfits are must. Start with a comfortable pair of jeans or leggings paired with a warm sweater or cardigan. Plaid shirts or flannel tops add a touch of rustic charm to your look. Layer up with a puffer vest or a wool coat for extra warmth. Don't forget your ankle boots or hiking shoes for those outdoor adventures. For accessories, a beanie and a scarf will keep you warm while adding style to your ensemble. For those adventurous vacations filled with activities like snorkeling, hiking and exploring, you will need outfit that both practical and stylish. Quick dry shorts and athletic tops are great for staying comfortable during outdoor activities. Lightweight pants or capris paired with a breathable tank top are perfect for hiking or exploring. Sun protection shirts or rash guards are also a good idea for long days in the sun. Waterproof sandals or sturdy sneakers are essential depending on the terrain. A backpack is ideal for carrying your essentials on day trips. And don't forget your hat and sunglasses for sun protection. If your vacation plans include a trip to Europe, think chic and sophisticated. Tailored trousers paired with a silk blouse create an elegant day look. For exploring, opt for a comfortable loafers or bolted flats that can take you from museums to cafes. A trench coat is a versatile outerwear option that adds a touch of classic style. In the evenings, a little black dress or fitted midi dress paired with the heels and statement earrings will have you ready for dinner in style. Neutral colors like black, navy, and beige are easy to mix and match, allowing you to create multiple outfits with fewer options. For a laid-back vacation vibe, embrace bohemian style with flowy skirt, peasant blouses, and wide leg pants. Maxi dresses in earthy tones or with floral prints are perfect for capturing that boho chic look. Layer with a kimono or a denim jacket for cooler evenings. Flat sandals or ankle boots pair well with these outfits, and don't forget to accessorize with layer necklaces. Hoop earrings and a wide brimmed hat, a tote bag or a woven backpack is perfect for carrying your essentials while adding to the boho aesthetic. For those heading to a snowy destination, your vacation's wardrobe should be all about layering. Thermal tops and leggings are great base layers to keep you warm. Thank you for tuning in into Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope these vacation outfit ideas have inspired you to pack your bags with confidence and style. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and travel study guides. Let us know in the comments below which vacation outfit is your favorite, or share your own vacation style tips with us. Until next time, stay stylish and enjoy your tropical getaway. Bye for now.